everyone and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. It's our final Celebration Assembly of the year and I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for all the hard work you've been doing. You've been absolutely amazing and we are very proud of you. I'd also like to thank all your parents at home for supporting you with your learning and all the teachers in school. So let's get on, let's see who's earned those Emerald certificates this week, the final week of the year. You must have all been working incredibly hard this week because we've got a record number of Emerald certificates. So don't forget to count. Let's see who's got those certificates. Starting with Rumi class. Sarah A's got 2, Sarah G's got 3, Saban's got 2 and Yusti. Well done. Moving on to Malala class. Well done Daisy. Nice has got 3. Well done Nicole, Soraya and Aima's got 2 and Reba's got 2. Fantastic work. And the final reception class, John Lennon class. Well done to Anea, Doris, Izan, Mace's got 2 and Ratchet. Let's have a look at year 1. You'll be amazed at clay class. So many certificates. Georgia's got 2, Sophia, Melinda's got 2, Keshev's got 2, Arvi's got 2 and Teddy. Here's some more. Nawal, Zayan, Nia, Saba, Zosha, Aditi's got 2. And that's not it. Here's some more. Idris, Abigail, Paris, Omar, Aroma, Riley and Gloria's got 2. Fantastic work, clay class. And on to Matisse class. Mira, well done. Zion, Yusuf A's got 2, Darsha's got 2, Barthnan's got 2 and Tabak's got 2. Let's see if there's some more. Annabella, well done. Christina, Dennis has got 4. And finally year 1 class, Picasso class. Well done to Justina, Shreyas, Sajja, Harley's got 2. Brilliant work. Let's have a look at year 2. And in Beckham class we have Sarah, Amy's got 2, Vienna, Diane's got 2, Karunyan. Well done all of you. And from Ennis class, big well done to Walid, Nahara, Amy, Samina, Anna Maria and Leland. Great work. And finally Holmes class, for the last time this year. Tamid, well done, Ruel, Ansh, Uzair and Sophia. Great work. So, did you count? That's a whopping 88 certificates, a record. Keep up the great work. You are all amazing. And don't forget, during the summer, you can continue to earn Classcharts points at home to show your parents your great behaviour. I hope you all have a fantastic holiday and I'll see you next year. Bye.